Next is number 9. This is check for bandwidthing. So for footing 1, this only applies if your B1 is greater than small L1. Kumbaga, pag yung footing mo parang naka portrait mode siya. Pero kung naka landscape mode siya, then you don't need to check for bandwidthing. Okay, so meron dito, ayan no, meron siyang initial check, B1 should be greater than L1. Ibig sabihin nito, meron kang outer strip. Kapag B1 is greater than L1, then automatic meron kang outer strip. Kapag less than or equal, then square footing yan or naka-landscape yung kanyang layout. So yung raw required X, this is taken from check rebars along X of footing 1. Which is, ito taken from dito, ano? Sa check footing rebars, footing 1 along X. Dito natin yan kinuha. Dito, sa raw required or dito sa recomputed. Okay. Ngayon, dito naman sa Excel, ito yung raw required X ko. Nakalink siya dito sa step number 4 and then yan o, recomputed raw required X. So ito yon. Okay, so hindi siya naka-name. Next is, we will now compute your AS1 which is equal to twice of raw required X, B1 times DX1 divided by B1 divided by L1 plus 1. Ngayon, ano itong DX1 na yan? Yan yung nanggaling sa initial computations natin na ayan o, DX1 tsaka DX2 para sa footing 2. By the way, yung DX1 dito sa ating Excel, ito siya, kulay, ito ay nilagyan ko ng name na DX1 and hindi to kulay red na font, ibig sabihin nito ay computed siya. Okay? And then, we now compute your N1X. Ibig sabihin, ito yung required number of bars dito sa loob ng inner strip, which is AS1 divided by pi dbx1 squared all over 4. So, kung ang nakuha mong number dito ay 5.3, then i-round up mo yan, magiging 6 pieces. Kung ang nakuha mo dito ay 5.8, round up mo yan, magiging 6 pieces pa rin. And then, para sa AS2 naman, raw required X, B1 dx1 minus AS1, yan yung nanggaling dito. Then, makukuha na natin yung AS2. Tapos, yung N2X naman, yan yung number of pieces in each outer strip, which is equal to AS2 divided by pi dbx1 squared. And then, i-round up mo ulit yan. Tapos, as a check, N1X plus twice. Twice yan kasi meron kang dalawang outer strip. Ano? So, yung sum niyan, dapat your NX1 or number of pieces of bars along X under footing 1 should be greater than or equal to N1X plus 2 N2X. Kaya dito sa ating Excel, sa Excel ko, ayan, yung computation ng AS1 followed by N1X and then yung AS2, ayan siya, followed by N2X and then, ayan yung actual NX1, nakalink siya dito, ano? And then, ito yung N1X plus 2 N2X. So, nagkataon na equal siya, so it is safe. And then, after this, check na natin yung spacing inside the bandwidth. So, ang chine-check natin na spacing dito ay yung spacing ng rebars dito sa loob. Ito yung critical na spacing. Kailangan yung spacing dito sa inner strip mas masinsin kaysa sa spacing ng bars dito sa outer strip. So, let's take this as S1. This is equal to L1 times, equal to L1, small L1 minus N1x dx1 divided by N1x minus 1. And it should be lesser than or equal to the minimum of 5 Ti or 450 mm. So, ito yon. Ito yung S1. Tapos ito yung maximum S. Then, it is, since your maximum S is greater than S1, ibig sabihin, yung spacing natin, hindi siya mas malaki dito sa maximum S. Therefore, it is safe. After which, kailangan mo rin i-check yung outside the bandwidth. No? So, yung spacing outside the bandwidth, yung dito sa outer strip, yan yung S2. This is equal to the quantity B1 L1 divided by 2 minus N2x dBx1 minus 75 cross quantity divided by N2x. Ngayon, yung N2x na yan, eto yon, ano? Take note na dapat ang gagamitin mo dyan yung eto yung nasa-solve mo dito, no? And then your actual S sub 2 should your computed S sub 2 should be less than minimum of 5 Ti and 450 mm. So, ito na yon. Okay? So, next, you do the same procedure para dito sa footing 2. However, ang gagamitin mo dito ay palitan mo yung mga subscripts ng 2. Yan. See? Yung B1L1 naging B2L2. Yung B1 dx1 naging B2 dx1. So, that's how to solve for your check bandwidthing for column footing 1 and footing 2. Now, for footing 2, take note na kailangan masatisfy pa rin ito. Your B2 should be greater than L2. Ngayon, nagkataon na yung B2 natin tsaka L2 ay equal kasi this is a square footing. Ayan o, B2 and L2, parehas silang 253. Ibig sabihin square footing yan, then that means this is not applicable kasi wala kang outer strip. Okay, so gumawa ka na lang ng check kung applicable siya or not. Anyway, yung check na ginamit ko dyan is eto lang. Kailangan masatisfy ang condition na greater than. Okay, so next to this is development length.